Hello everyone, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And today I want to show you our 2021 Chaparral 23-foot SSI. This boat does include the trailer. It is also equipped with the Volvo Penta 240 horsepower motor. The boat has super low hours and was well maintained. Come on aboard and let me show you a couple cool things I like about this boat. Okay everyone, I'm back in the Chaparral 23. And something cool that I really like that they did to save on the wear and tear of your cushions is this hinge flip up and this little walkthrough, making it real easy to get in and out of the boat. Not to mention to save on this cushion too as well. Comes in, comes out, easily placed back in the spot. And if you like to anchor out in the evening or just chill or watch people tube behind you, this is something pretty cool that they did. This unique backrest right here. Kind of going more aboard on the boat right here. I want you to check out this helm. It is equipped with the Simrad dash, so you'll have your GPS and a few other options on the boat. Going forward, one more cool thing that I like about the boat, it is equipped with the bow filler cushion. So you'll feel real safe and secure up there. So for more information on this boat or any of our other boats, my name's Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas.